Hello, welcome to Moonlit Justice Oracle. I'm here to do a collective sketchy deck reading. Thank you for being here. Thank you for everything you do in support of this channel. I appreciate you. Alright, let's see what we've got, collective. May I please have 3 cards for today's message for the collective, please? Did I say please too many times? A scapegoat. We're going to do this again? There's always a scapegoat, right? I guess it makes sense. People don't want to take the blame or have to face responsibility for themselves, so they try to have someone else take the blame for whatever's going on. A scapegoat with forgiveness in a group of people. So I'm not sure if a group of people wants forgiveness for trying to scapegoat someone, or if this was others trying to scapegoat a group of people, trying to have a group of people held responsible for something. I'm not sure. Okay. A scapegoat, forgiveness, a group of people. Why is a scapegoat here for the collective? Plaintiff, someone accused someone of doing something. Or, may I have one more card for a scapegoat, please? Legal system. Plaintiff and legal system. So this could be an actual case that made it to the legal system or the justice system, judicial system, ended up in court. A plaintiff. So this could be someone who is formally or informally accusing someone of doing something. So I'm not sure if this plaintiff accused someone of doing something they didn't actually do, and now they're wanting forgiveness, or I'm not sure if this group of people helped someone try to scapegoat someone. Plaintiff, legal system. Alright, why is forgiveness here for the collective? Evidence tampering, yeah, so they tampered with evidence in order to scapegoat someone. Makes sense. May I have one more card for forgiveness, please? What does the collective need to know? Spreading lies, gossip about someone. So I'm not sure if the evidence that was tampered with had something to do with spreading lies, gossip about someone, or if this was part of lies and gossip being spread about someone. Like if people were lying on someone, tampering with evidence, saying they're guilty of doing something they did not do. That could be. So I'm assuming the truth has been found out regarding this. A scapegoat, plaintiff, legal system. Forgiveness, evidence tampering, and spreading lies, gossip. So someone tampered with evidence. They planted, fabricated, hid, moved, or placed evidence with the intent to deceive. And they spread lies, gossip about someone. Or they were trying to make it appear like someone else was guilty of spreading lies, gossip about them, maybe? Hi. Why is a group of people here? What does the collective need to know about this group of people? What does the collective need to know about this group of people? A group of people here. Spiritually protected. So a group of people could be spiritually protected. Why is a group of people here? What does the collective who resonates with this message need to know about a group of people? Group. Have faith, trust, yeah. So I'm not sure if this is currently happening to a group of people, and they're being encouraged to remain faithful and trusting that everything will work out in a just manner, or if this is a group of people that now trusts someone. They may have not trusted someone in the past, or a group of people trusted someone who maybe tampered with evidence, lied, gossiped about someone in order to scapegoat them. A group of people, a scapegoat, forgiveness. So this might be speaking to the collective. Those of you in the collective who resonate with someone trying to scapegoat you, trying to have you wrongfully accused of possibly crimes that you did not commit. This might be for you. You could be part of this collective of a group of people. You're being encouraged to have faith and trust that things will work out for the highest good of everyone involved. Alright, may I have one more card for a group of people, please? One more card for a group of people. Loss, inheritance. Well, there's a lot of cards that came out, but loss and inheritance. A menace, wrongfully accused, spies watching someone at home. So I'm not sure if this had to do with an inheritance, assets bequeathed to someone, or what someone was due to receive, should have received. they were trying to have someone found guilty of something so that they would lose an inheritance, or... May I have one more card for a group of people, please? Their plan backfired is backfiring. We have a plan for you. Okay. Their plan backfired is backfiring. So have faith, trust that whatever's going on, if you resonate as a group of people, part of a collective, we do know that the particularly readings put online for a general collective, a lot of people resonate with them. It's not like we're reading one person's story. We're not doing that. We're reading a collective story. We're reading what's happening to a group of people. In different ways, there's subtle differences, there's major differences, but people are resonating with these messages as a collective, as a group. So whatever's going on here, if you identify as a person in a group of people, let's say a collective of people who is, maybe you were the person people were trying to scapegoat, they were accusing you of doing something in the legal system. They, I think, probably formally were trying to accuse you and have you held responsible for wrongdoings, crimes, anything that you did not actually do. Someone wants forgiveness, or it's important to forgive whatever's going on here. And forgiving isn't saying it's okay what you did, it's whatever, you know, it's not saying I'll allow you back into my life. Forgiveness is refusing to harbor those negative emotions within you. It's perfectly fine and natural, I think, to have those feelings of, let's say, resentment, anger, frustration, etc., right? But it's not good to harbor them, to let them continue to live inside of you and eat away at you. It does eat away at you. Maybe this is encouragement to try to find ways to lighten your energy, releasing these negative feelings. No one likes when I say that. People do like it. It's just, there's always people that are like, I'm not forgiving them. They're either saying they don't deserve their forgiveness, but it's not about that person. You're not doing anything for that person. You're doing it for yourself, for your own heart and your own soul, you know. There's people saying that only God can forgive, they can't forgive. Meanwhile, they're harboring all these, like, angry feelings. This is just saying, I'm not going to argue with someone's religious beliefs, what they believe God can and should do versus what they should do as an individual. I try to remain open spiritually and religiously here, so no offense intended to anyone. But this is just suggesting that if you don't want to forgive someone, just take an honest look at what emotions you are holding on to regarding them, the situation, etc., right? Are you harboring negative emotions? And if you are, this could be encouragement to say to release them in whatever way possible. It's for your benefit. It's not just like, I don't get anything out of it, they don't get anything out of it. It's for you. It's important. It's very important. Oftentimes we don't realize what kind of feelings we've been holding on to, specifically anger. Anger can show up in all sorts of different ways. Might be worth looking into, you know? Okay, a scapegoat, plaintiff, legal system. Someone was trying to, I believe, formally accuse someone of doing something they did not do. Forgiveness, they want forgiveness for tampering with some kind of evidence. So again, they planted, fabricated, hid, moved, or placed evidence with the intent to deceive. So they really went out of their way to try to, like, have someone found guilty of something they did not do. And somehow spreading lies and gossip is involved. So again, I don't know if this is spreading lies about someone in addition to tampering with evidence, or if this evidence had something to do with someone, like, slandering someone's name. Like, if someone accused someone of slandering them or libeling them, I'm not sure if that's the evidence that's been tampered with. A group of people have faith, trust, their plan backfired is backfiring. So regardless if you identify as a person in this group of people, or if you believe a group of people was working against you. This could go both ways. So it doesn't have to be just one or the other, right? Okay, let's look into this some more. Why is a plaintiff with a scapegoat? A married couple. So a married couple could have been accusing someone of doing something? Is this going to be that married couple neighbor situation from before? Could be. Why is a married couple with plaintiff and a scapegoat? Why is a married couple with plaintiff? Justice will be served. Okay, so I don't know if a married couple was accusing someone of doing something. either knowing that they weren't actually guilty or unknowingly trying to press charges or have someone accused of something. Maybe they thought that person actually was guilty because of evidence tampering, or maybe they tampered with the evidence and knowingly were trying to scapegoat someone. Regardless, justice will absolutely be served. Their plan backfired. Have faith, trust. Justice will absolutely be served in this situation. Why is a legal system with a scapegoat for the collective? Why is legal system? Forgery? So something was forged, some kind of legal documents, or something was presented in court that was forged, or something was forged. When it comes to the legal system, why is forgery with legal system and a scapegoat? There's no need to be afraid, a criminal for hire. So I'm not sure if someone forged something, trying to make it appear like someone hired someone to do something illegal, or someone hired someone to do an illegal forgery of some kind. They might have hired someone who works in the legal system. Why is forgery with legal system and a scapegoat for the collective? Forgery, sabotage. So if someone wanted to sabotage someone or sabotage something by forging either documents, this could be fabricating something false, forged, it's not real. That could be the evidence tampering. So they did something. I believe this is a situation where things were actually taken to court, or that was the plan. Granted, this could resonate for all sorts of people. This could resonate for those who don't believe or do know that it wasn't to that level. This is just someone accusing someone of doing something, but it was forged, or forgery was involved in some kind of way. Why is justice will be served in a married couple here? Justice will be served, a married couple, plaintiff, a scapegoat. Why is justice will be served here with a married couple? Justice will be served. Bribery. Someone might have bribed someone to do something, given them something, or attempted to give them something in order for the other person to do something unsavory. Why is justice will be served? Death, jail, prison. I'm not sure if a death occurred in this situation. If someone was trying to have someone found guilty of unaliving another person, or justice will be served. Death, jail, prison. Okay, those are pretty intense cards to come out together under justice will be served. Why is death with justice will be served? A married couple. Why is death here with justice will be served? Did someone, I don't know. I just wanted to say, did someone unalive a married couple? Or, why is death with justice will be served in a married couple? Death with justice will be served in a married couple. Why is death here? Battle over ownership, rights, custody, violation, manipulation. Why is death here? Before I mentioned this could be over some kind of inheritance, like some kind of inheritance could be involved here. It could have been someone's motive or a reason why someone was trying to scapegoat someone in order to receive something that person was due to receive or should have received. Why is death with justice will be served? Holding someone something hostage, scam. So there's some kind of scam involving holding someone something hostage, or this could be taking this card, holding someone something hostage, like figuratively, saying, hold it, like I'm not sure to what extent someone had someone involved in the legal system wrongfully, like wrongly accusing them of something. I'm not sure how that might have held someone hostage, kept them trapped or stuck in some kind of way. This was a scam. They scammed possibly the legal system, the judicial system, in order to hold someone something hostage. Or, with death here, I'm not sure if someone actually was held hostage, possibly passed away, or this was the plan. But there's scam here, so I'm not sure what the scam is. Why is jail, prison with justice will be served a married couple? Jail, prison with justice will be served in a married couple. Jail, prison, assault. Sorry for that intense eye contact. I was just looking at my cat. Assault, jail, prison, justice will be served. So, why is assault here with jail, prison, justice will be served? Assault with... I'm not sure if there was actual physical violence or Family, money, coworker. Interference. Interesting. Why is assault with jail, prison, justice will be served for the collective? Wanting to intimidate. Okay, so I'm not sure if someone was trying to threaten someone. Jail, prison. So I don't know if part of justice being served is that someone will be incarcerated. Those who are actually guilty will be incarcerated. Or I'm not sure if this married couple thought that justice would be served if whoever innocent here was found guilty of something. Like, if they thought that would be right for some reason. Like, they figured whoever was actually innocent, they figured they deserved to be falsely imprisoned or falsely accused of something. For whatever reasons. Ignorance is, I think, usually the #1 reason for that, but... A scapegoat, plaintiff, a married couple. Justice will be served. Jail, prison, assault, wanting to intimidate. Justice will be served. Death, scam. Why is scam here? Withholding someone something hostage and death. Protection. So, why is protection with scam, death, investigation? I'm not sure if someone claimed that they were trying to, like, they felt they needed to protect themselves from someone, whoever was being falsely accused. But there's been an investigation, and or someone was trying to prevent an investigation. I don't know what this is. I don't know if they were trying to prevent an investigation. They might have, I don't know, attempted or succeeded in holding someone something hostage, which could have led to a death. Why is holding someone something hostage here with death? You are safe and protected. So I don't know if this is if this is an actual, like, someone was planning on having someone held physically held hostage, or if this is more of a, like, energetic kind of thing, or when it comes to how someone's able to move throughout the world, keeping them trapped or stuck in some kind of way. Do know, whoever's innocent in this situation, you are safe and protected. What is this investigation about? Why is investigation? Vehicle. Something about a vehicle? Justice will be served. Death, scam, protection, investigation, and vehicle. So there's some kind of vehicle involved in an investigation, or someone investigated something regarding a vehicle. Why is vehicle with investigation, protection? Scam. Why is vehicle here? A battle over ownership, rights, or custody? Is this a battle over who owns a vehicle? Who has ownership rights to a vehicle? Or who is driving a vehicle? Or... yeah? Scam. All this is under scam, death. Why is a battle over ownership, rights, custody with vehicle? Stealing, hiding money. Okay. Okay, well, justice will be served. There's a lot of, like, this is definite, like, justice will absolutely be served in this situation. If you are resonating with this, please do understand and believe that. Trust. Have faith, trust. Whatever shiesty plan they had, it's backfired already. It is backfiring. It will backfire. Okay, a married couple, forgery. Did I even really look into the forgery? Okay, let's look more into this forgery. I'm thinking some cards already came out. Maybe they didn't. Why is forgery here with legal system? Holding someone something hostage came out again. Why is forgery here? Anger, meddling, trafficking. Anger, meddling. I'm not sure if someone forged something to make it appear like someone was angry, that someone was meddling in some kind of, like, trafficking situation. This was forged. Or someone's angry that someone was meddling in someone else's affairs as part, or to protect some kind of trafficking situation. I don't know. Career. Proven innocent, career. Someone's workplace might have proven someone innocent. Someone could have been at work at a certain time when someone said they were elsewhere. Career, someone might have misused, abused power or authority they have in a career. Tools, resources, people, connections, networking stuff. They might have abused that in order to be proven guilty about something. Proven guilty of something. Proven innocent. Proven innocent. Why is forgery with legal system and a scapegoat for the collective? Why is forgery with legal system a scapegoat? A friend forged, someone was a fake friend. Why is a friend here with forgery and legal system under a scapegoat? A friend, forgery, legal system. Protection. A friend might be protecting someone. A friend was trying to protect someone, so they forged something. Someone might have had a friend in the legal system. They were trying to protect a friend. Protection. A friend. Why is protection with a friend, forgery, legal system? Why is protection with a friend, forgery, legal system? Why is protection with a friend? Harass. So, okay, someone who works in the legal system might have thought that a friend of theirs was being harassed and they were trying to protect them. This is why they might have forged something. Someone might have been lied to and tricked almost into tampering with evidence. This could be forgery. I don't know. Why is harass with protection a friend, forgery? Why is harass here with protection a friend and forgery? Harass? What is that? Parent. Okay, I'll take it. Parent. Why is parent with harass a neighbor? Protection, harass, parent, a neighbor. Okay, a scapegoat, legal system, forgery, a friend, protection, harass, parent, a neighbor. There's a lot of people here. Okay, someone might have said that their parent was being harassed. Or they might have said that a parent was harassing a neighbor. And regardless of which way that might go, they might have gone to a friend who works in the legal system to have them tamper with evidence. Or, regardless of if that person works in the legal system, they might have gone to someone in order to have something forged that would assist in scapegoating someone innocent. Why is a neighbor with parent harass protection? Why is a neighbor with parent harass protection? Violation of rights. Holding something hostage again. Why is a neighbor with parent? Fighting, guilty, trying to hurt someone's reputation. Okay, so someone was trying to hurt someone's reputation. We do have spreading lies, gossip here. Guilty, fighting. What else can you tell the collective about a friend under forgery and legal system? What else can you tell the collective about a friend? Home. So this involves a home. Why is home with friend? Stalking. Okay, there's a lot of people. This is when I get confused. I get confused because I don't know which way this could go. Someone's parent could also be someone's neighbor. Someone's neighbor could be the friend. You get where I'm going with this. So I'll trust that if you're resonating with this, you'll know who is who. This has to do with protection from someone stalking someone. This could be forged, like fake stalking, or like fake stalking meaning that it was made to appear like someone was being stalked or someone was stalking someone, but this was forged. Someone tampered with evidence in some kind of way to make it appear this way. Or someone could be like stalking someone, trying to get them to forge something, or I don't know. Protection, harass, parent, a neighbor. Someone's protecting someone in this situation. Okay, let's leave it at that. I don't want to get sucked into this specific little area. Maybe we'll figure it out more as we continue. Why is evidence tampering with forgiveness? Trying to hurt someone's reputation again. So someone was trying to hurt someone's reputation, so they tampered with evidence. They tampered with evidence in order to harm someone's reputation, to make it appear like they're a certain way when they're not that certain way. Why is trying... Assault, jail, prison, hold on, stay strong, wanting to intimidate. Okay. Why is trying to hurt someone's reputation with evidence tampering and forgiveness? Trying to hurt someone's reputation with evidence tampering and forgiveness. Trying to hurt someone's reputation. Home, parent. Home, parent. Okay, we did talk about an inheritance. If this involves an inheritance, like a home or property that someone might have inherited, whether in the past, present, or future, this could be, okay, someone's trying to hurt someone's reputation, trying to find them guilty of something they didn't do, possibly in order to prevent that person from acquiring a home. Or this is someone trying to, like, mess with someone's livelihood or future. Like, if someone was trying to hurt someone's reputation, they were trying to find them guilty of things that would prevent them from, let's say, being a parent, taking care of kids that they already have, maintaining a home, purchasing a home, creating a home. You know, I'm not sure. Why is spreading lies gossip with forgiveness? Why is spreading lies gossip with forgiveness? Spreading lies gossip with forgiveness for the collective. Spreading lies. Sibling. Okay, so this really could be over some kind of home or property. Like, this could be a sibling trying to frame another sibling or scapegoat another sibling for something in order to, I don't know, let's say sibling 1 was due to receive a home or property. Sibling 2 did not like this for some reason, and so sibling number 2 came up with some bullshit to have sibling 1 found guilty, trying to hurt their reputation in order to prevent sibling 1 from acquiring this home. I'm not sure if, like, let's say this isn't something that was brought to the legal system or judicial system. I'm not sure if someone was trying to hurt someone's reputation by tampering with evidence and bringing it to a parent, trying to say the sibling is a bad apple, you know, whatever. I'm not sure if that's the case here. It could be all of the above. Why is a sibling with spreading lies gossip? Forgiveness. False statements cheat. Jealousy, property. Oh, someone might have made false statements about cheating, or they cheated. They were not playing by the rules in some way by making false statements, or something involving false statements cheat, and then jealousy and property. So this very well, at this point, it's very well this has to do with a property or home, and maybe an inheritance. Why is sibling with spreading lies gossip? Forgiveness. Sibling. It's just, never mind. Keep my opinions to myself. I just don't understand people. I guess I don't have that, whatever it is that causes people to, like, try to ruin their siblings' lives in order to get a home, and, like, I don't get that kind of mentality. I guess it depends on what you place importance on, or what you prioritize in your life, or what, like, we could get into this, like, never mind. Why is sibling with spreading lies gossip? Violation, burdened. So, someone was in violation of something, or they violated someone, and they're burdened. Spreading lies gossip, sibling, violation, and burdened. I'm not sure if someone claimed that they felt violated and burdened by someone's lies, gossip they spread, or if this is how someone's feeling because they did all this shady shit. Trying to hurt someone's reputation. Home, parent. Okay. Why is home with trying to hurt someone's reputation evidence tampering? Or this could be evidence tampering involving a home. Like, if there was a crime committed or something happened in a home, Someone could have tampered with evidence regarding this because they were trying to hurt someone's reputation. Why is home with trying to hurt someone's reputation? Arson? Okay. Arson. So, I'm not sure if there was some kind of fire destruction in a home, or a home was destroyed or set on fire, and someone tampered with evidence to maybe have someone else proven guilty of doing this. Why is arson with home? Police, law enforcement, taking advantage of someone. Money laundering, legal rep, lawyer. Interesting. Alright, why is arson with home trying to hurt someone's reputation, evidence tampering? Why is arson here with home trying to hurt someone's reputation and evidence tampering? Arson. Legal rep, lawyer again. So there's definitely something here with a legal representative, lawyer, attorney. Some kind of representative in the legal system. Again, we do have legal system with a friend that came out earlier. Home, arson, legal rep, lawyer. Trying to hurt someone's reputation, evidence tampering. Someone wants forgiveness. I'm not sure what role this legal rep played. Why is spying, watching someone at home? Why is a legal rep impersonating defendant? Okay. Justice will be served. Okay, what's happening here? Legal representation, a lawyer. Defendant impersonating. Was someone, okay, so the plaintiff is someone accusing someone of something, right? We have a scapegoat. The plaintiff was accusing the scapegoat of doing something, whether knowingly or unknowingly. We might have a legal rep, lawyer, someone who worked in the legal system, who impersonated someone, or impersonated specifically the defendant, whoever was being accused of something, formally or informally. Impersonating defendant. Legal rep, lawyer, arson. I'm not sure if someone's legal representative actually tried impersonating someone when it comes to a home and arson. Like if there was security cameras or something, trying to make it appear like they were whoever's being wrongfully accused here. Or, interesting. Whatever's going on here, justice will absolutely be served. There's no question about it. Why is impersonating with legal rep, lawyer? Or someone was impersonating a legal representative lawyer? Someone was pretending to be a legal representative lawyer? Why is impersonating with legal rep, lawyer, arson? Impersonating? Sabotage. Impersonating in order to sabotage someone? Why is defendant with impersonating legal rep, lawyer? Why is defendant with impersonating? Assault. Why is assault with defendant, legal rep, lawyer? Assault with defendant, legal rep, lawyer. Why is assault here? Plotting. Threatening. What's this? Sexual abuse. Plotting, threatening, sexual abuse. Are these someone was pretending to be someone else and threatening someone, or what? Random. I just got like I don't even know what to call it. Someone might have been impersonating someone and pretending to be, like they were threatening someone, pretending to be someone else, right? Am I saying that right? I'm trying to and meanwhile, while they're trying to pretend to make it appear like this one person is threatening someone when they're not really, meanwhile an arson happened, some kind of like home destruction happened maybe, to support whatever was going on here, to support whatever threats were being made, trying to make it appear to be real. That was so random, like I don't even know how to explain what just happened there. I need a sip of coffee. That could be the case for someone at least. how can I make that, like, if that wasn't clear, it's like, okay, let's say someone, let's keep it so simple. Someone was sending, no, there's no simple way. Someone was threatening someone, whether verbally or written, typed, whatever, right? Whoever was actually making these threats, like writing, saying, typing, they were pretending to be the innocent person, the scapegoat, let's call them. So, meanwhile, they're pretending to be this innocent person making threats, right? While doing that, maybe they said, I'm gonna set your house on fire. Meanwhile, someone's house gets set on fire to make it appear like they followed through with those threats, you know, but it's not actually them following through, it's just kind of keeping the story going in a way. Yeah, I don't know. Why is parent with trying to hurt someone's reputation evidence tampering? Why is parent with trying to hurt someone's reputation and evidence tampering? Jealousy. So someone's jealous here. A parent's jealous. Someone's jealous of something involving a parent. Jealousy. Harass. Alright. Why is jealousy with parent trying to hurt someone's reputation? Why is jealousy not guilty? Okay, so someone was trying to, like, hurt someone might have been trying to make someone appear to be jealous about someone or something. Yeah, but they're not guilty of this. This is just part of the lies gossip intended to harm someone's reputation. Why is not guilty with jealousy and parent? Murder, greed. Murder and greed. Why is a murder with not guilty jealousy? Why is murder with not guilty jealousy parent? Murder, phone hacking. Why is a murder with not guilty jealousy and parent? Friend. Murder with not guilty jealousy. Violation of privacy and guilty. Okay. Not guilty, murder and greed. So someone tampered with evidence in order to hurt someone's reputation. They spread lies, gossip about someone, trying to make it appear like they were jealous about something and greedy. Someone might have said that someone was jealous and greedy, so they either did end someone's life or wanted to end someone's life. Home, arson, legal rep lawyer, impersonating, sabotage, defendant, assault. Someone was pretending to be someone else. I'm not sure if this is all regarding threats or if these things actually happened. Whatever, ending of life, arson. Huh. Okay. Why is violation with sibling spreading lies gossip? Why is violation with sibling spreading lies gossip? Loss? Violation, loss. I'm not sure if someone claimed that some kind of violation caused loss, that this was part of the lies gossip, or if someone violated something or someone which caused loss. Why is loss with violation and sibling? Loss with violation and sibling. A criminal for hire. Why is loss with violation sibling? I'm not sure if someone's claiming that some kind of violation led to a loss in court, maybe? Keep being drawn back to legal system while I'm trying to do this. Why is loss with violation sibling? Insurance policy? Poison? Remorse. Someone might be feeling guilty for possibly wanting to poison or introduce some kind of level of toxicity. And this involves an insurance policy, insurance claim, insurance money. Why is loss with violation sibling? Violence. Why is violence with loss? Manipulation. Why is burdened with sibling? Spreading lies gossip. Wanting to cause hardships. I'm not sure if this is someone who wanted to cause someone hardships to have them feeling burdened, and that's why they spread lies gossip about them. Tampered with evidence. Why is wanting to cause hardships with burdened? Or if someone else was claiming. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes if this is what someone was accusing someone of doing that they weren't guilty of, or if this is what the motive or like the intention was. Why is wanting to cause hardships with burdened? Spying on phone. Looking on a phone, seeing something on a phone. Spying on phone. A break-in and a friend. Spying on phone. A friend and a break-in. Huh. Why is a break-in with spying on phone? Spying watching someone at home. Why is a friend with spying on phone? Money laundering. So money laundering, someone obtaining money illegally and trying to make it appear like it's been legally obtained. So someone made money illegally here. For what did they do? Is this the friend that works in the legal system? Were they paid to do something? Or a friend spying on phone, money laundering. Why is spying watching someone at home a break-in? Co-worker. Why is spying watching someone at home? Extortion. A trap set up in extortion. Alright, let's take it back. Let's take it back. Forgiveness, spreading lies, gossip, sibling. Violation, with all this violence, murder situation, there's greed, jealousy over a parent, a home, something going on there. Someone's not guilty of possibly murder, unaliving someone, possibly arson, some kind of home destruction. Someone was impersonating another person, or they were pretending to be a legal rep lawyer. A legal rep lawyer was pretending to be someone else. Was this legal representative lawyer jealous or greedy about something? So they were abusing their power in some kind of way and impersonating someone, trying to be someone, pretending to make threats or something like that. But meanwhile, their intentions were to steal something. I don't know. They tampered with evidence. They were trying to hurt someone's reputation. All right. Why is forgiveness, spreading lies, gossip, sibling, burdened, wanting to cause hardship, spying on phone, a break-in, spying watching someone at home. I'm trying to figure out how spying on phone is involved in this. Spying watching someone at home, a break-in. Again, so with security cameras, there's Ring doorbells and things like that, you can watch things happening on your phone, right? Is that what this is? But then how is money laundering involved? Why is spying watching someone at home? Destruction, burglary. Okay, someone might have found evidence on someone's phone. They might have seen something that would kind of point to the truth in this matter in some way. Spying watching someone at home with burglary. We do have a break and home invasion right there. Destruction. Why is money laundering with a friend? Was a friend paid money to do this? And they tried to make it look to be poison. Why is poison with money laundering? Was a friend being paid to do something repeatedly? Or I don't know why I'm getting repeatedly. Poison. Why is poison with money laundering? Inner conflict. That's exactly what it's so weird when that happens. I mean, it's not weird, it's just a strange feeling. I was thinking that, and then it came out. Inner conflict. I was thinking I don't know what this wanting to cause hardships is. I don't know. If this is someone who wanted someone to be in fear of being burglarized or their home invaded or broken into in some way. Why is inner conflict with poison? We have your back, heart. We have your back, heart. Why is inner conflict here with poison, money laundering? Inner conflict with poison, money laundering, a friend. Child. Why is child with inner conflict, poison? Someone honest. So someone's honest. A child honest. Harass. About some kind of harassment. Or this is in order to harass someone honest. Someone who speaks the truth. Someone who wants to speak the truth. Could speak the truth. But how does money laundering and spying on phone have anything to do with it? Why is harass with someone honest? Child. Why is harass? Spiritually protected, justice will be served. I don't know exactly what's going on here. Moving on. Okay, I'm back. Scapegoat, plaintiff, legal system, forgiveness, evidence tampering, spreading lies, gossip. A group of people have faith, trust. Their plan backfired is backfiring. Okay. Why is have faith, trust here with a group of people? That's backwards. Why is have faith, trust here with a group of people? True, real evidence. Have faith, trust, true, real evidence has been found, will be found, is being found. Why is their plan backfired with a group of people? Why is their plan backfired? Coworker, abuse of power. Okay, coworker, misuse, abuse of power, authority. So they were working together to misuse, abuse their power and or authority. This could be a group of people working together. They were misusing, abusing their power and or authority. A sort of illusion of power and or authority. An illusion. They had an illusion that they had power and or authority. They misused it. Their plan backfired is backfiring. Have faith, trust, true, real evidence. What is this true, real evidence with have faith, trust? Pressing charges. Why is true, real evidence a trap set up in stalking? True, real evidence, stalking. So there could be true, real evidence about a group of people stalking others. Oh no. Why is stalking with true, real evidence? Impersonating. Okay. A group of people have faith, trust, true, real evidence, stalking, impersonating. Pretending to be someone else and stalking someone. There's true, real evidence of this. It's important to have faith, trust. Or a group of people trusted someone. They trusted some kind of evidence regarding stalking, but someone was pretending to be someone else. Why is impersonating with stalking, true, real evidence, have faith, trust? Impersonating, psychological, emotional abuse, kidnapping. So, yeah, I'm not sure if there's true, real evidence that someone was stalking someone, possibly in order to kidnap them, possibly in order to impersonate them. Is this like someone trying to like take someone's identity to like an extreme? Or impersonation was used? Someone impersonated another in order to like make it appear like someone was kidnapped, or trying to make it appear like it was a certain person kidnapping someone or being kidnapped. And somehow psychological emotional abuse is involved here, causing some kind of psychological emotional abuse from being kidnapped. Impersonating. A group of people have faith, trust, true, real evidence. A group of people could be very they could be trusting that they will find true, real evidence, or they have found true, real evidence of whatever impersonating thing this is. Why is kidnapping with impersonating and stalking? Kidnapping with impersonating, regret. So they regret doing this. There's true, real evidence, so they've probably been found out. Why is psychological emotional abuse with impersonating and stalking? Psychological emotional. I'm not sure if someone was pretending to be someone else and making it appear like they were psychologically, emotionally disturbed in some kind of way, or unstable. True, real evidence. Someone was pretending to be someone else in order to like cause some kind of psychological, emotional harm. Why is psychological, emotional abuse? Hatred, taking advantage of someone, and police, law enforcement. Why is psychological, emotional abuse with impersonating? Phone hacking, forgery. So they were impersonating someone, possibly utilizing a phone to do so. What is that? Spying on phone. Pain, hurt. Someone might have seen this on a phone. They saw that someone was like pretending to be someone else on a phone. Like if someone got access to someone's phone and saw what they were doing. Why is psychological emotional abuse with impersonating? Cyber online crime, sexual abuse. I'm not sure if, like, some kind of cyber online crime was committed involving sexual abuse or assault, which could have led to psychological emotional trauma. This was psychologically emotionally abusive. Kidnapping. Someone was kidnapped and, like, interesting. Someone might have been impersonating someone online. Why is cyber online crime with psychological emotional abuse? Cyber online crime. Whoa. Parent home burglary, spying watching someone at home, and investigation. So this involves an investigation regarding a burglary of a home and a parent. A parent's involved. Parent home burglary, spying watching someone at home, investigation. Huh. Why is a cyber online crime punish? Someone might be regretting something because they're being punished. True real evidence will lead someone to being punished for some kind of cyber online crime, amongst other things, is what I'm getting. Sexual abuse. Why is sexual abuse with psychological emotional abuse and impersonating? Sexual abuse, psychological emotional abuse, impersonating. Sexual abuse. Grief, false statements. Someone's upset about some kind of false statements made, or someone made false statements about grief, about being, like, abused. Someone might have made false statements about being abused. Or, why is regret with kidnapping, impersonating? There's no need to be afraid. Why is regret with kidnapping? Money laundering again. Money laundering. So someone, I'm not sure, I guess money laundering could go either way. So if someone, I typically, when I see money laundering, I'll typically say something along the lines of someone obtained money illegally, trying to make it appear to have been legally obtained. This could go the other way. Someone could have paid money for something illegal, trying to make it appear like they paid for something legal. Legally? Paid money legally somehow? Paid money... Betrayal. So this could have been someone close to someone else. Close enough for it to be considered a betrayal. Betrayed trust. Okay. Let's move on over here. Why is coworker with their plan backfired in a group of people? Coworker with their plan backfired. Loss. It's led to some kind of working together, led to some kind of loss, or is leading to some kind of loss. Or this could be something, people working in a business together. This could have led to the loss of a business, or their plan was to lead to someone losing some kind of ability to work with someone, or why is loss with coworker, their plan backfired? Why is loss with coworker, their plan backfired? Why is loss here with coworker? Lies, that's a lot. Lies. Obviously there's a lot of lies. Death. Inheritance, a menace, wrongfully accused. Yeah, there's something here about an inheritance. Why is loss with coworker, their plan backfired? Why is loss with coworker, their plan backfired? Harm. Why is harm with loss, coworker? Corruption, embezzlement, lawsuit, exploitation, contracts, forms, paperwork. Why is harm with loss, coworker, their plan backfired? Harm with loss, coworker. Bullying, truth being revealed. So they were bullying someone was bullying people. The truth's being revealed about this. We have true real evidence, truth being revealed. I'm not sure if someone wanted to cause someone harm so that the truth, I think I might have said something like this earlier. Someone wanted to harm someone in order to prevent the truth from being revealed. Possibly about bullying, or They possibly wanted to like bully and harm someone. This could be a coworker, someone who someone works with, or this is again the group of people working together. Someone wanted to work with someone to cause some kind of loss. Or again, this has caused some kind of loss because the truth is being revealed. Why is abuse of power authority with their plan backfired? I can't like unhear illusion of power authority now. Why is misuse abuse of power authority with their plan backfired? Police, law enforcement, taking advantage of someone, fighting. Control. Why is misuse abuse of power authority? Bribery. Someone might have been bribed to abuse their power or authority. Their plan was to bribe someone to abuse their power or authority, but it's backfired. Why is bribery with misuse abuse of power? Money? Family. Could have paid a family, paid someone's family money, trying to bribe someone's family members with money. Family members were trying to bribe someone money. Why is money with bribery? True statements paying for illegal services. Is it possible, I mean, bribing someone to do something doesn't always have to be like negative, right? Is it possible that someone bribed someone or people to make true statements? I'll pay you if you tell the truth, you know, like I don't know. Or someone made true statements that someone paid for illegal services. Why is family here? Defendant. The defendant's family. Family's having to defend themselves. Why is defendant with family? Set up framed. Blackmail. Someone was set up framed to have something to blackmail someone over. Sabotage. Why is defendant with family? Sabotage. Why is defendant with family, bribery, abuse of power, authority? Not guilty, battle over ownership, rights, custody, and arson. Not guilty, battle over ownership, rights, custody, and arson. Defendant with family, bribery, abuse of power. Why is defendant with family, bribery? Defendant, property. Trying to... What was property? Property, parent's property, family, defendant, property. Why is property with defendant, family, bribery? A hater, drugs, spiritual energetic abuse. Can you don't walk on the keyboard, please? Why is property? Spying on phone again. Interesting. Why is spying on phone with property, defendant, family? Trying to hurt someone's reputation. Why is true statements with money and bribery? Why is true statements with money and bribery? Control, a break-in home invasion. Why is paying for legal services with money, bribery? Spying. What's going on here? Most important to know, despite my inability to really articulate what exactly is happening over here, their plan backfired, is backfiring, or will backfire. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, should I get some signs just to see if any of this might resonate with someone here? Signs specific. Alright, are there any specific signs or elements involved in what we've just discussed? Whoa, Aquarius, Gemini. Aquarius and Gemini, huh? I don't know. I'm just gonna go with it. Aquarius, Gemini. One of these people might be significantly older than the other one. Aquarius, Gemini. Are there any other signs or elements that might be involved in this situation? Cancer. Alright, how about one more? One more card, please. Taurus. Alright. Could be a couple, random, just random things. There could be a couple involved, or people that are like romantically linked or friendly linked. They're friends. And it could also involve someone who is significantly older than the other person. They don't have to be the same. Like the couple doesn't have to be like a significant age gap. This could be two separate duos here. I think, no, what I said, I don't want to offend anyone who, let's say if you identify as an Aquarius sun, or if you are innocent and you resonate with Aquarius energy. What I was initially getting was the Aquarius and Gemini are both liars, because I was hyper focused on the spade reversed, which is to me the Ace of Swords reversed. What are the phases? Yeah, okay, so like, interesting. So in the Aquarius, these are traditional playing cards. I don't know if you can see this. But, okay. In the Aquarius and Gemini cards, both of these characters are looking at one another. The Cancer and Taurus cards, I don't know where the Cancer's looking. Looks like she's just like half asleep. Anyways, the Taurus is looking towards the Cancer and this other Aquarian Gemini duo here. Meanwhile, the Cancer is kind of looking down. She's either looking down or slightly to the right. Like maybe I'm saying she, gender, any of the genders, it doesn't matter here. This person is looking like down, and almost like, it's like they are pretending not to see or look at something, but they see it. Interesting. I'm getting a lot from these cards right now. I can't say that's happened before. Maybe I've just never paid enough attention. We have two letter K's. That could be significant, notable, and a J and a Q. Okay. Gemini, Aquarius, Cancer, Taurus. Alright, let's get some more information. Maybe get, what is this? Plaintiff. So this is the plaintiff. They are accusing someone of doing something. They may or may not have been victims of a wrongdoing, and that's why they are pressing charges, attempting to press charges. May I have one more card to accompany plaintiff, please? A friend? Oh no, worried. Interesting. I saw that as a friend when it flipped. Am I losing it? Probably not. Where? I saw it. I know I did. Maybe not. Plaintiff and worried. Plaintiff is worried. So someone's worried. They've accused someone, or... Interesting. Why is plaintiff here? What does the collective need to know? Extortion? Has someone been forced to accuse someone of doing something? Formally or informally? Extortion is getting someone to do something using force, threats, implied threats. Plaintiff could have extorted someone. Why is extortion with plaintiff? Evidence tampering. Why is evidence tampering with extortion plaintiff? Evidence tampering? Sabotage. Why is sabotage with evidence tampering? Why is sabotage with evidence tampering? Bless you. Did you get into the spices again? A hater and pain hurt. Someone's being a hater. They wanted to cause some kind of pain hurt. So they wanted to sabotage them by tampering with evidence. I'm not sure if someone was extorted into doing this. Or if this is part of whatever they were doing involved extortion. Why is worried here? Oh, interesting. A witness was already flipped over, but I didn't see it. Is this what I thought was a friend? A witness. Someone might be worried that someone witnessed something. Why did I see a friend? A friend. Huh. Why is worried here? Why is worried here? Vehicle's flipped over too. How did that happen? Vehicle defending oneself? Why is worried here next to plaintiff? Why is worried next to plaintiff? Worried. Exploitation, benefiting from someone else's harm. So if this plaintiff is accusing an innocent person of doing something they did not do, they are worried about benefiting from their harm in some kind of way. Why is exploitation with worried? Exploitation with worried. Someone honest, yeah. Someone's worried about exploiting someone honest. Or worried that someone honest is being exploited. Why is someone honest with exploitation? I'm telling you, if I don't know, if this plaintiff is concerned about what they're doing, they should, if possible, stop. Do what they can to, I don't know if they're being extorted. I can't say I've ever been extorted in a direct way. I don't know, obviously, the intricacies involved in this. But if someone is able to exercise their free will in this situation, and they're worried about exploiting someone honest, I would do whatever you can to stop. Probably sooner rather than later. Why is someone honest? A witness. A witness. Someone saw something. Someone knows something. A witness. Someone honest. Like when I saw this card at first, I wasn't thinking, oh, someone's worried that someone saw something. Maybe they did, maybe they didn't. When I saw this card, it was like someone knows something. Someone saw something. Someone absolutely knows something or saw something. There is a witness. Okay. Why is a witness with someone honest? Legal system. Why is legal system? Hatred, stalking. Okay, so I don't know, what is this? Before with plaintiff, we got a married couple. So let's say this is a married couple, they are the plaintiffs. Is one of them, like, all in on this possible bullshit situation? Or is one of them all in, like, let's do this, but the other one is, like, uncertain, worried, concerned about it? Stalking, hatred, legal system. Are they afraid that the truth is going to come out about some kind of stalking? Like if they've been stalking whoever they're accusing, whoever they're trying to scapegoat, are they worried that someone knows about this or saw something? Why is stalking with legal system? Greed, spying, watching someone at home. Why is hatred with legal system? Theft. Theft. Why is theft with hatred, legal system, a witness? Scam. Why is theft with hatred, legal system, a witness? Theft. Theft with hatred? Burglary. Why is a hater with sabotage, evidence tampering, extortion? Why is a hater here? A hater with sabotage, evidence tampering, extortion. A hater. A hater with sabotage. Punish. Why is a pain hurt with sabotage, evidence tampering? Pain hurt. Sexual abuse, cyber online crime again. Spying on phone. So a hater wants to punish someone and sabotage them, so they tampered with evidence. Someone might have been extorted to participate in this. What else can you tell the collective about extortion under plaintiff? Home. Home with extortion and plaintiff. Home. Home with extortion, plaintiff for the collective. Home. Set up, framed. Violation of privacy. Someone might have, someone might feel forced to do something because someone else is threatening to set them up or frame them for something involving violation of privacy and home. Or, this is all part of the setup, whatever evidence tampering, sabotage this is. It's all part of the setup. Violation of privacy. Someone violated someone's privacy in order to set them up, frame them. Someone was extorted to maybe do this. Maybe extorted to do this. Spying, watching someone at home, greed. Worried. Alright, what else can you tell the collective about worried next to plaintiff? What else can you tell? Spying. Someone's worried that they're being watched, or they're worried about some kind of spying. Why is spying with worried? Misuse, abuse of power, authority. Why is spying with worried? Why is spying with worried for the collective? Trying to hurt someone's reputation, money laundering, destruction. Why is spying with worried? Embezzlement, fraudulent appropriation. Why is spying with worried? Court. Whoa, spying, court. We have legal system, a witness, someone honest. Worried, exploitation, someone honest, a witness. Legal system, stalking, spying, someone watching at home, greed. Hatred, theft, burglary. Court, spying. Why is court with spying and worried? Court, harass. Someone might be worried that they're going to end up facing legal ramifications for some kind of spying watching someone at home. Harassment could be involved, violation of privacy. We do have violation of privacy. Was someone extorted into like spying on someone? And harassing them in some kind of way? Alright. Hatred, theft, burglary. Alright, let's get some final messages and then we'll go to the oracle cards and call it. Okay. May we please have some final messages for the collective? Final messages. Destruction. Alright, what does the collective need to know about destruction? What does the collective need to know about destruction? Malicious intentions. Why is malicious intentions with destruction? Something hidden. So, regarding some kind of destruction, someone has malicious intentions, and this is hidden, or someone has malicious intentions to cause some kind of destruction by concealing something, hiding something, keeping something hidden. Why is something hidden with malicious intentions for the collective? Something hidden. There's no need to be afraid. Money laundering. I'll take you. There's no need to be afraid. It was on top. I'm starting to learn how to, like, in my own personal use of various cards. When things come out in a group, I'll take what's on top. There's no need to be afraid. So whatever this is, someone has malicious intentions. When do they not, right? Something's hidden. They might have malicious intentions to keep something hidden. This is in order to destroy something, to cause some kind of destruction, or this is regarding some kind of destruction. There is no need to be afraid. Why is there no need to be afraid with something hidden, malicious intentions? There is no need to be afraid with something hidden, malicious intentions. There is no need to be afraid. You are safe and protected. Absolutely. What is this underneath? Insurance policy, remorse. So there could be something here about some kind of insurance policy. This could be like an insurance scam. Why is you are safe and protected with there is no need to be afraid? Spying on computer. Something might be found on a computer. Why is spying on computer with you are safe and protected? Sabotage. Yeah, whatever malicious intentions they have, they will be sabotaged. Something about a computer. I'm not sure if some evidence regarding these malicious intentions or something involving whatever's hidden here could be found on a computer, or if someone's trying to find something on, let's say, your computer, any of your devices, in order to sabotage you, understand you are safe and protected. There is no need to be afraid. Why is sabotage with spying on computer? You are safe and protected. Why is sabotage with spying on computer? Contracts, forms, paperwork, partner, spouse. I'll take contracts, forms, paperwork. So this could involve some kind of contracts, forms, paperwork. Documents found on a computer. Why is contracts, forms, paperwork with sabotage, spying on computer? Contracts, forms, paperwork, financial abuse. So financial abuse is negatively, it's like trying to cause someone domestic abuse as well. Trying to interfere with someone's ability to make money, keep money, spend money. I mean, there's a long definition there, but that's the gist. Interesting. Okay. Well, you are safe and protected. There is no need to be afraid at all, if that resonates with you. Okay, let's get some oracle messages, and then we'll call it. Alright, what messages do we have for the collective that resonates with today's message? What messages do we have for the collective who resonates with today's message? What do we got? What do we got? Lord Shiva. Oh, there's a lot. Transcendence. Rise up. Honor your inner force. Steps are being given. Dance with the universe. Absolutely. Rise up. This is like, I never back down. Like, don't ever be afraid to rise up. Honor your inner force. Honoring what's within you. Steps are being given. Dance with the universe. Interesting. Alright, what do we have for the collective? What messages, guidance do we have for the collective today? Too many. What messages do we have? Lady Nada, heart awakening. Awaken to acceptance and divine love. Give and receive in balance. Awaken to acceptance and divine love. Give and receive in balance. This is like, what am I getting? Let me think about that for a second. May I have another card, please? Begin now. Take your first step. Miracles. Expect the wondrous to emerge. May I have another card for the collective, please? Desert Passage. Trust there's a divine plan. We get this one a lot. It's like in this card, I don't know how well you can see this. That light is pretty bright up on there. In this card, this person is looking at this desert landscape, right? There's not much going on. It looks kind of like hopeless and empty. This might be the case. It might feel like it's what's going on, but trust that this is part of a divine plan. This is how things have to be or have to appear right now for a greater divine plan. May I have one more card for the collective, please? Staying focused. Hold the course. So this is about, maintaining focus. Whatever beneficial, positive pursuits you are focused on, hold the course. Keep doing what you're doing. It's like this desert passage, right? It's like, okay. And staying focused, there's a person looking through one of these, what is that, a spyglass? Spyglass? Could be. They're looking at something in the distance. What they are looking on and focused on is in the distance. This person, in the present moment, is surrounded by a lot of sand and seemingly nothingness, right? There's a path leading through this desert. So it's like whatever's being focused on, whatever's being desired, is in the distance. That's why it might not look very fertile, like there's not much going on here, there's not much abundance around this person. It's focusing on what's in the distance, whatever that might mean to you. Trust there's a divine plan. Keep going. Despite what may be found in this desert, it's important to keep going down this path. Because what lies beyond this path is worth holding course for. Lady Nada, heart awakening. Awaken to acceptance and divine love. It's acceptance. It's accepting. It's not settling. It's not. What am I thinking? It's not. What was it? Awaken to acceptance and divine love. It's not. What's the word I'm looking for? Give and receive in balance. Reciprocity is important for some reason. It's making sure that what you give, you receive back. It's about not giving too much of ourselves to others. It's about making sure that if we receive a lot, we give in response to that, in return. Awaken to acceptance and divine love. It's not settling, it's accepting that we are part of a divine plan, that we as humans we can't understand the big picture, the big plan. We could try. It's a good, in my opinion, it's a pleasant, beneficial place to be if you can accept the fact that we can't see everything that's going on, that we can't see how things are. Oh man, this one's tough. Acceptance. Awaken to acceptance and divine love. Give and receive in balance. It's like when I feed my cat, right? When I feed my cat, it's at a certain time. It's at a certain time because if I feed her early, she'll be hungry earlier and I might not be home. So she might be feeling like she's starving for a couple hours. She's not actually starving, but to her she feels like she just wants her food. But because I gave it to her early, now she's going to be even hungrier by the time I get home. She doesn't understand the big picture of I have to feed her at certain times for her own good. It's for her own health and well-being and comfort. You know, I care about her being comfortable. I might wake up several hours before her breakfast time, but I'm not going to feed her right when I wake up. That's what she wants. The moment I get out of bed, she wants food. It's not going to happen because I see the bigger picture in this situation. She as a cat she just wants her food. She doesn't see and understand that it has to be at a specific time for good reasons, right? I don't know what the point of that was. Maybe it makes sense. Understanding that we have a limited perspective, it's important to accept and trust. Trust that there's a divine plan. Why is heart awakening here? Awaken to acceptance and divine love. Give and receive in balance. Why is this card here? Taking shelter. The answers are within. Share your gifts with grace. Paul the Venetian, experiencing grace. Share your gifts with grace. Waves of inspiration and love are coming to you. The answers are within. Interesting. So, like, what I'm seeing here, give and receive in balance with Lady Nada, right? And then share your gifts with grace. It's sharing. It's like, what are you receiving? Is there something you can share with others based on what you're receiving in some kind of way? The answers are within. Interesting. Alright. Lady Nada, why is heart awakening here? Awaken to acceptance and divine love. Give and receive in balance. Why is this card here for the collective? Give and receive in balance. Navigating by the stars. Follow your bliss. Navigating by the stars. Follow your bliss. Interesting. Again with the path. Like, so in this path, right, there's sun, there's clarity. This person can see clearly, but it looks like nothing is around. And navigating by the stars, follow your bliss. It's dark. This person can't necessarily see what's around them, although there is abundance, there is life there. They're focused on the stars, their wishes, their desires, despite what they see around them in the current moment. There's something important about that. Trust there's a divine plan. Follow your bliss. Why is staying focused hold the course here for the collective? Why is hold the course with staying focused? Grace and gratitude. Grace again. Grace keeps coming out. It's, for some reason, that name, like, there were some readings a while back where grace, I kept seeing grace everywhere in certain cards and stuff. Every once in a while, grace speaks to me. I don't know who grace is. I know of a specific subscriber. If you're still subscribed, it's been a while, but your name's Grace. Or Gracie. There might be a message here for you. Grace and gratitude. Through gratitude, joy expands. Hold the course. So, again, with the whole desert passage, the nothing, the seemingly nothingness around, not seeing clearly what's around, staying focused, hold the course, focused on the distance. Through gratitude, joy expands. In this card, there's also a path. Oh, I wish you could see these clearer. Okay, it's not, I guess it's not crucial, but it would be beneficial. Through gratitude, joy expands. In this image, there's a path, and this character on the card is just chilling by the path, and her hand is open, and there's like a magical swirl and like nature around her. So she's taking a moment while on this path to just enjoy the magical beauty of what's around her. Through gratitude, joy expands. This is pretty much like this motto, or not this motto, this phrase, this sentence here pretty much sums up the reason I'm alive right now. Long story short, having more gratitude, finding the ability to be grateful for what we do have, immensely increases the joy we can experience. Through gratitude, joy expands. So it's like, despite the nothingness in this desert, despite not being able to see the beautiful life all around us in the dark, it's important to find things to be grateful for. It's a happier, in my opinion, it's a happier existence. I couldn't tell you a single person who has started like making it a important part of their day to figure out and express gratitude for what they have, like what they're grateful for. Does that sentence make sense? I'm not sure. Anyways, there might be something here about finding and truly feeling grateful. Finding things to be grateful for. Reasons to be grateful. When things are unclear, when things seem kind of lifeless or dull. It's like this person's focused on the on the future. Interesting, I wanted to say focused on the past, path, future. So I'm not sure what that means. Staying focused, hold the course. They got their eye on the prize in the distance. Meanwhile, things don't seem that great, or they seem kind of like not. What am I getting from this? It's like there is greatness around this person, but they can't necessarily see it. What's important to focus on is being grateful and what you're focused on in the distance, if that makes any sense. Why is trust there's a divine plan here? That's a lot. Why is trust there's a divine plan with desert passage? Trust there's a divine plan. It's also a lot. Miracles, expect the wondrous to emerge. Green Taurus, supreme protection. You are protected. Cords are being cut. Move beyond limitation. Trust. Trust, trust. I'm taking these both. Miracles, expect the wondrous to emerge. Trust there's a divine plan. Again, with the desert person here, they look and they're like, they seem kind of weary or uncertain about this path. They're like, there doesn't seem to be much going on here. It's important that they have trust and faith that once they continue on this path, it will lead to happiness, joy, success, whatever, whatever someone wants or finds good, that's what that path is leading to. Expect the wondrous to emerge. What was I about to say? Trust, yeah, trust. Trust there's a divine plan. It's important to trust. Move beyond limitation. You are protected. Do know you are protected. That came out quite a bit in today's message. Cords are being cut. Anyone who has been toxic, is toxic to you, and you've made efforts to distance yourself from them, from the past, people trying to hold on to you from the past, you are protected. Cords are being cut. Move beyond limitation. Trust. Expect the wondrous to emerge. Interesting, I just made a unique observation here. Wow, it's like a mirrored image almost. I really, one day when I get a more higher quality webcam, I'm excited to actually show you images because I see a lot in them. I just sometimes don't say anything because I can't show you. It can be hard to explain. Okay. In this card, Miracles, there's a person with a dark beard. Oh, that's so bright. Okay, I'll hold it back here. Anyways, there's a person with a dark beard holding a lamp. What is that called? Like a genie in a lamp? A little lamp genie? They're holding that lamp thing that genies can come out of, right? And this person is looking at this like magical swirl, similar to the magical swirl in Grace and Gratitude. Expect the wondrous to emerge. Okay, this person with the dark beard, right? Almost looks like a younger version of this person and Hold the Course. They are the one with this, or staying focused, Hold the Course. They are the one with the spyglass. It's kind of like what I was getting is this is the younger version. This person made a wish. They discovered something they wanted. They might have been waiting for a while. This person's hair is white, gray. And they're like looking out into the distance. It's like they're expecting or waiting for something. Expect the wondrous to emerge. Hold the course. So it's kind of like encouragement to keep going. I feel like it can be hard when time has gone by, when you feel like you've been waiting forever for something, or you feel like hopeless in a way, kind of. Like, imagine this younger person making a wish, looks like 40 years before this image is taken, and they're still waiting for something to show up. You know, it's kind of like, trust there's a divine plan. This is all part of a divine plan. Okay. If this resonated, I hope that it brought clarity and was beneficial in some way. Until next time, bye.